What if I told you that before you were born you made an agreement called the soul contract? This contract outlines your life's journey, challenges and relationships. These soul contracts are stored within the Akashic records, the cosmic library that contains everything that has happened in the past, is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Imagine an entire blueprint of your life crafted with the wisdom of your higher dimensional self. This blueprint details all the lessons you need to learn, the people you will meet, and the experiences you must undergo to fulfill your soul's purpose. It's a roadmap designed for your spiritual evolution, guiding you towards growth and enlightenment. But there's even more. These contracts often include karmic relationships, souls you've encountered in past lives with unfinished business to resolve. The challenges you face are not random. They're deliberate choices to foster growth, resilience, and wisdom. Accessing the Akashic records can reveal these soul contracts, providing insight into life's purpose. Through specific meditation and spiritual practices, this repository can be accessed. What do you think your soul contract would say?